power amplifier. Class B power amplifiers work for only half of the each input cycle, which means they have a conducting angle of 180 degrees. In simple words, these amplifiers amplify only half of the input cycle. A Class B amplifier consists of a positive and negative transistor, which run alternatively, amplifying the positive and negative cycle respectively, which in the end is combined to form a full output cycle. It's a more efficient design and has its own set of advantages and disadvantages compared to the Class A power amplifier. Some of the characteristics are: uses two complementary transistors, one each for the positive and negative cycle. Much higher efficiency, around 75 to 78.5%. Lesser heat output. Stable and reliable. Requires at least 0.7 volt to start conducting, which means anything under it doesn't register, so cannot be used for precise applications. Combines two half cycles to form one full cycle. High heat output during operation.